In a world where space is limited, and the need for sustainable food solutions has never been greater, a revolutionary farming technique is reshaping the future of agriculture. Welcome to the world of vertical farming, where crops are grown upwards instead of outwards, using innovative techniques that promise to feed the world sustainably. Vertical farming uses vertically stacked layers to grow crops, often indoors, in controlled environments. It's a solution for growing food in cities and places where traditional farming simply isn't possible. Using advanced technologies like hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics, vertical farms create optimal conditions for plants to thrive, regardless of outside weather conditions. In hydroponics, plants grow in nutrient-rich water instead of soil, while aeroponics takes it even further, growing plants with their roots suspended in the air, fed by a fine mist of nutrients. Vertical farming offers numerous benefits, from saving space to conserving water. Unlike traditional farming, which requires vast amounts of land, vertical farms can produce high yields in smaller spaces, like warehouses or even skyscrapers. These farms also use up to 90% less water compared to conventional farming by recycling water in closed-loop systems. Vertical farming is more than just a space-saving solution, it's a game-changer for the environment. By reducing the need for long-distance transportation, vertical farms help reduce carbon footprints. Plus, many vertical farms operate on renewable energy, making them even more eco-friendly. However, like any groundbreaking technology, vertical farming comes with its challenges. High initial costs, the need for specialized knowledge, and energy consumption are hurdles that need to be overcome. But with continued innovation, we're getting closer to making vertical farming more efficient and accessible for everyone. As the global population grows and urbanization accelerates, vertical farming could become a key player in solving food security issues, especially in cities where space is at a premium. Imagine a world where fresh produce is grown right in the heart of cities, reducing food waste and ensuring that everyone has access to nutritious, locally grown food. Vertical farming isn't just a trend, it's the future of agriculture, bringing innovation, sustainability, and hope for a greener, more food-secure world. Will vertical farming change the world? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's growing fast.